Do you want to know how you can follow people on your Sololearn account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Programming Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can follow your friends or other people on Sololearn. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first step is to open Sololearn on your PC and log into your account. What you need to do next is click on leaderboard. After click on leaderboard, you can see some of the people who you can follow over here. If you click on their account, you can see the follow option. You can just click on follow and you might get a follow back as well. So you can go ahead and select the people over here and click follow. It's quite easy and they can follow you back and you can share your courses as well. This way it will be easier for you to code together with your friends. So you better follow them now. I hope this video about how you can follow your friends or people on Sololearn was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.